how to make $500 a day while building your credit.
Now tuned into the greatest.
What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and I'm so excited. I'm glad you reached this video because this video is not something that everyone can see. This video is for only the people that are serious about changing their financial direction and want to become financially free and learn how to build their credit or help others build their credit while making $500 a day. You know what I'm saying? Doing so, okay? And $500 a day can turn into even more, and that will turn into six figures income very fast, okay? Very, very fast, all right? So if you're watching this video, I salute you, and you want to know more about the Wealth Builder system and basically want to learn what it's all about and how you can make that $500 or more per day. Well, I'm here to tell you, okay? It's basically through what we call income shifting. All right, income shifting is where you take your current income and turn it into six figures or more using the Wealth Builder system. All right, and the Wealth Builder system is very simple. It's not hard at all. It's not a whole bunch of different stuff that you need to do. Okay, it's just two business opportunities combined together. Okay, so all you got to do is you sign up to one. All right, you get started on that, and then you sign up to the second one. Okay, the first one costs $19.95 to start right now. Might go up in the future, so you might want to take advantage of it right now. Okay, $19.95 to start. That is not a lot of money. That's like going to McDonald's, or you know what I'm saying, for two or three people. Okay, $20 to get started to change your financial future. Come on, man. There's nothing better than that. All right, and then after that, the second step is signing up to the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is your system. It's how you collect the leads. It's how you follow up with people. This is the system that will help you build your business, okay, and help you create income streams beyond income streams, beyond income streams if you follow our system, all right? And the Conversion Pros is you have a 7-day week trial, so it's free to get started. Okay, so you definitely want to take advantage of that. All right, and so all you got to do is follow those two steps, and once you follow those two steps, you get to an ending video. The ending video gives you directions to learn how you can put this whole business on autopilot through me. Okay, you get to leverage me and my work and my intensity and my followers and things like that. Okay, and I've been doing this for about 4 years now, be marketing online in general. Okay, learning all the different tactics, learning all the different skills, learning YouTube, learning Facebook, learning Instagram, and I give you all that information. So while you're figuring out how to put all that together, I help you build your business. Okay, it's very easy, very simple to start. Okay, so I would love to go into more detail about the system, but I have a complete walkthrough video of the first step, which is the income shifting and learning how to start building your six-figure business. Okay, so all I want you to do right now, right, do me a favor and do yourself a favor, click the link below and put your information in. That's so you can find out more about the Wealth Builder system. All right, and like I said before, whoever watches this video is really ready to get started, because the only way to get to this video is through my other videos. This is not a public video, okay? This is not something everybody knows about unless they've, clicked on it from one of my other videos. So I just want to congratulate you for taking that step. All right, so again, click the link below, do yourself a favor, put your information in and watch the video, okay? So thanks, and do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.